PVC fiber hose, garden hose. PVC fiber hose, garden hose crusher separator machine. Soft nylon PVC fiber water hose crusher separator machine is suitable for material sorting treatment of composite products of two or more materials. After the plastic containing fibers or other impurities are broken, the impurities are separated to obtain a single plastic particle for utilization. For example, fiber water pipes, clips, carpets, belts, zippers, etc. Working principle of air separation system. Seeing the difference in specific gravity of different materials. In the process that the material falls into the pulse curve and falls uniformly. The lightweight material such as dust, hair silk, label paper, fiber, film, etc. is separated from the heavier weight material. Plastics. Fiber.